Today, InMapz is solving a problem for a school district with 20-year-old air conditioners. Imagine needing to replace 1,000 HVAC units with a $20 million budget. It's a logistical nightmare. Without InMapz, this would mean using spreadsheets, photos, manual audits. One data entry mistake could cause very costly delays, like ordering the wrong parts, causing the work crew to continue to be paid as they wait around for weeks. It could mean a costly shipping return taking weeks and missed deadlines. With InMapz, all you do is open the app and search the equipment you are managing in your building. And just like that, every AC unit's location, room it's linked to, and specs are right there. Your project managers and contractors all have the data at their fingertips at all times, so it's very clear and easy to complete the project. Also, InMapz saves 2/3 of your auditing time. That's 66%, amounting to tens of thousands of dollars in savings and preventing very costly project delays. InMapz, efficient, cost-effective project management. With InMapz, managing large-scale projects has never been easier.